In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and adjust some key settings on the popular platform, Temu. Whether you're setting up your account for the first time or simply need to modify your existing settings, understanding how to efficiently manage your profile is an essential skill. So let's dive right in and I'll guide you through this straightforward process step by step. First things first, you'll want to launch your preferred web browser and navigate over to Temu's official website. Typing Temu into your search engine should display the official link at the top of your results. Go ahead and click on that link. The home page is your starting point. Here, you'll usually see the login option right in the top corner, a step you'll want to complete before making any changes. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials, the email or username, and your password. It's crucial to ensure you're logged into the right account, especially if you manage multiple accounts for different purposes. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the profile section. This is typically represented by an icon, often a human silhouette, or possibly your profile picture if you've uploaded one. Click on this icon to access your account settings. This menu can be a treasure trove of personalization options, so it's worth familiarizing yourself with it. Our focus today is on modifying the country, region, and language settings within your profile. To proceed, look for an option labeled Country, Region, and Language. Clicking on this option will bring up a list of available countries and languages that you can select from. Now, why might you want or need to change this setting? Altering these options can be incredibly useful if you're relocating, perhaps you're traveling or moving to a different region, or maybe you simply want the interface in a language you're more comfortable with. Whatever your rationale, the process remains the same. Select your desired country or region from the list, ensuring that it corresponds with your current location or preference. Doing so can enhance your user experience by showing you content more relevant to your locale or language skills. Once you've made your selections, you'll generally need to save these changes. Look for a Save button or similar option to confirm and apply your new settings. It's always a good idea to double-check that the changes were implemented successfully by revisiting the profile settings page to verify your new location and language preferences appear correctly. And just like that, you're done. By following these simple steps, you've successfully customized your Temu profile to better fit your needs. As always, if you have any lingering questions or if you encounter any issues during the process, Temu's help and support pages are an excellent resource. You can often find detailed FAQs and troubleshooting tips there to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. See you in the next video.